Today, I want to show you how to do a dumbbell front squat. This is a fantastic exercise and there's a little variation at the end, so make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. That I'm going to add in that will just make it extra spicy, I think is the word we're after. And that video is coming up right now. So the dumbbell front squat. We're going to need to get a pair of dumbbells. Now these don't need to be very heavy, especially when I add in the variation at the end. It's probably going to be lighter than your goblet squat is able to do. But like with all squats, all we're going to do, if I show you the side angle first, is we're going to take our hips back and down, knees following after. I'm going to come up from there. So doing the dumbbell front squat, you're just going to hold two dumbbells and we're just going to rest them lightly on our shoulder like so. You don't need to put the whole weight into them. Don't tuck your arms in. Keep your elbows forward of your body, as you can see that there. So I've basically got the end of the dumbbell on my shoulder and that's it. And then all I'm going to do is squat down, press through the floor to stand up and come up like so. I'll show you the side angle of that. My feet are just outside my hips. Getting down nice and deep. Big deep breath in. And that is the dumbbell front squat. Now, what I'd also like to add into that, once you've got the squat organized and sorted and ready, is we're going to squat down, but the aim is to keep the weights where they started. This is very, very difficult and you'll not feel it. Work your core. So same squat position. Now my dumbbells are here where my shoulders start. So as I squat down, I'm going to press the dumbbells up in the best way possible. And then I'm going to come in and follow up. Okay, let me show you the side angle of that. So I'm pressing the dumbbells up as my hips are going down. Oh, and then I'm coming up there, like so. Now as you do that, you're going to really feel it engage your lower back. You're going to feel it engage right through your core. And all you're trying to do is just press those weights upwards as your hips descend down. It makes the dumbbell front squat much more fun to do. And it's a really, really, really great variation because as you're doing the squat, it really works that lower back and develops things like your barbell back squat an awful lot more. As I'm coming down, the key as well, not just press up through the hands, but press through the floor to stand up to make sure that squat stays really nice and strong. And that's how to do a dumbbell front squat. Thanks for being here. Have a great day. I'll speak to you again real soon. Ciao, ciao.